In this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we need to restart our phone. I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then of course we need to slide down in order to reboot your phone. Now once the circle disappears, this one over here, you want to press and hold volume up button, and you want to keep holding volume up all the time until you go to the recovery mode. So just keep holding volume up. Even if you see Xiaomi logo on your phone, you want to still keep holding volume up. There we go. And soon we should see the Xiaomi recovery mode. There we go. Now once you are here, you can use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu. Now to use download mode, you need to choose this option over here, connect with MI Assistant, and then just press power button to confirm. Then we can connect your phone to your computer. Most likely there is like an additional software provided by Xiaomi that you can use to actually make use of the download mode, and that's all. Now on the other hand, if you want to exit the download mode, you just want to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds. So just press and hold it, and keep holding it until this picture that we have on our phone disappears. Once that happens, you can release the power button and just wait for the phone to turn back on. So there we go. Now we might go back to the recovery mode. Let's see if that is actually the case. Yeah, there we go. So now we just have to reboot our phone again. So choose the reboot option, make sure that it is selected, and confirm by pressing the power button, and then go for reboot the system. Your phone is going to restart again, but then you should be able to go back to the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.